You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today's headline first. US shutdowns leads to global decline in Bitcoin ATM. Zero One Labs joins forces with OSIS to enhance Web3 and AI privacy. The Sandbox and Bitcup's blockchain forget partnership to expand SEE Metaverse Hub. Clearpool introduced Yale Vault to HUD Trust, USDX stablecoins and Player Network. Koti V2 developer network goes live and unveils privacy-centric possibilities. OP3N to trial first Twitch styles Web3 creator house in Lisbon powered by Avalanche. Range to transform IBC into becoming the safest DeFi ecosystem. Crypto sleuth Hoggle process security-centric glue blockchain. Infero Drainer resumes operations, claims $250 million stolen from crypto users. Alchemy Pay to launch a Web3 digital bank for smooth-fired crypto conversation. Robinhood lowers interest rate on the margin loans in growth push. Crypto insider anxious and divided as spot ether ETF decisions date looms. For the first time since July 2023, the number of active Bitcoin ATMs worldwide has decreased. The United States and Canada represent 91.4% of the total Bitcoin ATM network, each hosting 31,089 and 2,909 machines respectively. Zero One Labs, renowned for fostering high-quality technical teams in the AI space, has announced a strategic partnership with OSIS, a leading Layer 1 blockchain specializing in scalability and confidential compute. This compliance aids to strengthen the foundations of Web3, privacy, and AI by merging Zero's One advanced decentralized AI solutions with OSIS innovative privacy technologies. The Sandbox leaders in the decentralized virtual gaming worlds and Bitcub's blockchain technology Co. Limited, a premier blockchain network in Thailand, have announced a groundbreaking partnership. This collaboration aims to integrate Bitcub's metaverse into the Sandbox, establishing a dynamic metaverse hub in the Southeast Asia. The union is set to enrich the Sandbox platforms with the various experiences featuring well-loved characters from the Bitcub metaverse. Clearpool has announced its collaboration with Flares, the blockchain for data, and the Hex Trust Group, a leading digital asset custodian, to launch a dedicated vault for earning yields on the newly introduced stablecoin USDX, developed by the HT Digital Assets Hex Trust tokenization ecosystem. USDX is designed to be a key DeFi asset for financial management on the Flare network. Web3 infrastructure development firm Scooty has unveiled a developer network ahead of its upcoming launch of the privacy-centric Ethereum-based Layer 2 network Koti V2. OP3Ns has announced the launch of the first ever Web3 content creator house of particles in collaborations with Avalanche and Avax DAO. The OP3Ns House Lisbon, powered by Avalanche, will operate from May 28 to June 2nd during NFC Lisbon. The initiative marks a cultural milestone in Web3 content creations, aiming to foster collaboration among leading Web3 content creators and key opening opinion leaders. Range intends to transform IBC and the chain into becoming the safest DeFi ecosystem, for which forming connections with the Osmosis and Stride are on the anvil. Together, they will develop risk tools like IBC dashboards and enhance the forthcoming IBC rates limits V2 deliverance. Pseudonymous crypto sleuth Ogles has witnessed plenty of failures while investigating DeFi hacks. He is part of the cottage industry of security experts who cleans up the mess from the attackers targeting crypto finance projects almost daily. His specialty, tracking them down and getting the project's money back. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.